All right, and we're back. Here I have the Bell Roadside 700 multi-tool, and we're going to review this today. So once you get past the zip ties and everything else that they want to secure this with, you can rip and tear your way into it. So I'm going to try and talk a little bit about the Crank Brothers M17 that I recently reviewed. It's very similar. I won't say it's got quite the same heft as the Crank Brothers tool. Very similar though. It's got similar tools. It does not Alright, well, let's try this again now that the wind's died down a little bit. So, the Bell tool, Roadside 700. Check out one of these Allen wrenches here. They're stiffer than on the Crank Brothers to try and get them to function up and around. In a way, that's good. Same kind of feel. Feels like a good quality tool. One more test. The rusty nasty chain test. I've already used this a couple times, so I'm kind of aware what the outcome's going to be already, but I didn't use it on a rusty nasty chain, so horsepower there. Definitely harder on the rusty nasty chain than on the well lubed chain I originally used it on. And see if this does the same thing. When you bottom it out, it will push the pin completely through. So if you're gonna try and do a trail side repair of your chain, be very cautious, because when you bottom this out, it's pushed that pin all the way out. So that was the Crank Brothers. That's the Bell. So make your decision on what you value there. But a few other things to note on these: they have a spoke wrench built into the lever on the handle here. There is a T25 torque, same as the Crank Brothers. There's a bottle opener, because if you're into mountain biking, probably into beers, probably gonna need that. So not a bad little addition, honestly, because even some sodas and stuff you need that for. So in the end, I have the links below. Always remember, please subscribe. $15 on Amazon versus $21 for the Crank Brothers tool. So is it worth saving $5 for this? I think so, unless you need the extra Allen wrenches that the Crank Brothers has. But this goes small enough that I can even do my grips with it on my bike. So seems to have everything I need. So enjoy.